Welcome to DL4JRA. In this tutorial video, I want to demonstrate how to use MQTT connection with another machine. We have two computer here, PC1 and PC2. PC1 is where we will hold the app, and PC2 is the Node-RED machine that will connect to PC1 through MQTT connection. There's already a tutorial video on using the MQTT signaling locally, but this time we will use another machine to demonstrate the intended use. Let's first test using generate dataset. Like previously, we set up like usual. At configuration, you'll see the broker address here. Take note of the broker address and the signal title. Now we'll go to PC2. I have set up my Node-RED to get the MQTT signal from DL4JRA. Node-RED have a node that can receive and send MQTT signal. In the MQTT in, I have put the broker address here, and the signal title is the topic here. So I'll click connect on PC1 to start the connection, and I will inject a signal to send to DL4JRA. And the app took a screenshot of the webcam. You can check that it is simultaneous from the time and date here. I can share you the simple nodes I used to test it out. This is MQTT in and MQTT out. The name changed according to what you named it. This is the inject node and the debug node. Node-RED is a really good app, and you can use it for dashboards and etc. I will leave a link where you can refer to how to use Node-RED and where to download Node-RED. Oh, I didn't show you the generated file. Here it is in the folder. You can see the date and the time here. You can also view the output of the DL4JRA from Node-RED. You'll see this in object detection. And also, I'll be using a local broker for this one. I'll leave the link down below on the Mosquito, which is a local broker that you can install in your machine. So scroll down here and you'll see the output category here. So first, let's set up the object detection testing first. Load the model, choose the camera. And then click on the add configuration on output. Take note on the broker and the signal title. You can actually configure this. Double click on the yellow box. And a menu will pop up. I stated that I'll be using local broker for this one. So we will configure the broker address here. So the format would be ws // and then your local broker address, or usually your IP address, and port 8883. Then let's start streaming and connect the MQTT signal. And you'll see under the image preview node here the output from the streaming. And we can also see the detection box here. We can also resize the preview size in the Node-RED for our preview here. These messages by the side are the debug messages from the debug node received from the DL4JRA. And that is it for the MQTT Node-RED demonstration. I'll leave in the, as I mentioned before, I'll leave in the description the link for the Node-RED and the local broker installation I use. So yes, thank you for watching.